Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a Revolut account. So though it's sad to see you leave, we are here to help you if you decided to close your account. When you close your account, please make sure that you meet the following termination requirements. So these are some of the termination requirements, like you need to update your app to the latest version, you need to clear every currency account, then clear all of your savings account, downgrade your plan to standard, then close your trading account, have no pending transactions or active subscriptions, have no active under 18 account, have no active insurance, have no open chargeback requests. So if your balance is too low to execute an external outbound transfer, you can choose to transfer the funds to Revolut friend via internal transfer, donate the remaining funds to a desired charity. To donate, you need to tap on the option that you see on the home page. If your account balance is empty, including any cryptocurrencies, there are no pending transactions or active subscription, and all other requirements are met, you should be able to terminate your Revolut account. For that, please ensure that you download and keep any statements which you may need for future reference. We will send you closure confirmation once the process is complete. We will keep your data for 6 years to comply with regulatory and anti-money laundering laws. So before closing your account, you need to keep these instructions in mind, and after that, in the settings of your Revolut account, you just have to click on the close account button. Then you just have to confirm your account closure. This way you will be able to easily delete your Revolut account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.